Hi, everybody. I want to talk today about your state's standards and how you align your teaching to those state standards. So the first thing I want to talk about is the importance and value of students of state standards, but also I want to talk then about how that impacts your instruction. My name is Kathy Tooley, and I'm CEO of Tools for Success. You know, state standards are like a blueprint to building a house. I want you to imagine that you and your spouse or significant other decided it's finally time to build your dream home. You've wanted it your whole life. You spent copious amounts of time drawing out exactly where that bathroom and where the tub was going to be placed in that bathroom and exactly where the dishwasher was going into the kitchen because it's your dream. It's what you've always wanted to do. And then you didn't go visit the house until they were about halfway done. And when you realize that it doesn't at all match the drawings and you ask the builder why it's that way, and he said, I just didn't think that made sense. I just didn't like that where you placed that bathroom. Would you be okay with that? You going to sign the check? My bet is no. State standards are the blueprint to your classroom. They are the exact what of what you should be doing every single day. How you do them is up to you, but the what is critical. So how do you implement state standards? First step is you have to know what they are. You have to spend time on your state's website, Department of Education website, and really comprehend what those standards are asking you to teach. Many states do a great job by telling you the exact competencies and the exact end goal that your student should know by this standard. So it's not as nebulous as it used to be, which is, this really broad, fluffy words. And then really break down each of those standards to, this is where my students have to be, what are the steps I have to use to get them there? This is the end goal. This is the end goal. A basketball player end goal is to win the game. But they spend how much time shooting hoops? They know how to shoot a hoop, but they know that it's those hoops that are going to get them to the win. You have to break those standards down and look at what are the hoops? What are the measurements in between that I'm going to have to make sure I utilize in order to ensure success for all of my students for this standard? It's one of the sweet things that we at Tools for Success do. We partner with our schools to really break down those state standards in measurable ways. If you need supports with that, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Feel free to put in the comment and we'll be happy to reach back out to you. But even if you don't, get with other like-minded people that teach what you teach or teach similar grades to you and have them break down those standards for you. Until then, be sure and like and follow and share and all the things that we do with this video. And thank you for taking on the tough work of your standards. That's not easy, but you have what it takes to take them on, and your kids are counting on it. Have a good day.